More Elixir. That should be good. And what up, Lithium? I thought this was an image DB schema. It could be, maybe. What's up, chat? I was gonna work a little bit more on some Twitch chat stuff, but I am kind of thinking I might cheat on only doing the startup at night times, because I'm kind of excited to try it. So then maybe I'm gonna do it during the day. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I don't have that running yet. I don't have it running. Sorry. Oh, you need to run it again. There you go. Should we do that instead, Lithium? Because I was gonna work on another stream. I got to stream. I'm gonna try and stream twice a day, most days coming up. It's too hard to do like 8 to 10 hours of streaming in a row and like also do stuff with my kids and around the house and other stuff like that. But I think we might have found something that's working for a while. We'll see. That's what I'm saying, Lithium. Get down the grind set. We gotta. You gotta. All right, that should have worked this time, Fo. Yeah, there we go. Oh, nice. Run Rockstar stream for 8 hours and was rain fried. Well, I mean, I stream pretty regularly for more than like... I have streamed quite a few times for more than 8 hours. But the problem is it's just very difficult then to like... do the rest of my life if I do that every day. Do you know what I'm saying? It's not so much about like my brain part of the problem, although I do feel very like tired after 8-hour streams usually. But yeah. Yeah, I'm with you, Lithium. I'm with you. You don't work in a company? Freelancer? This is my job, chat. We're trying to make this the job. What happened with the cleaning? Did I miss something? He needs a new snippets with LSP kind. I don't know how they would go together, Monique. Ready for catching those crowd? Yeah, I think that part's kind of nice too. But for real. Dude, I'm on YouTube just to hit a like and go back home to Twitch. Giga Chad. But socks dipped in color from school day until he put them on and walked around the house leaving colorful footprints. As in like paint? Or like a clothes, like to make colorful clothes. And it was still wet. Tie-dye. Oh my goodness. Tie-dye, so it did wash out. Okay, that's good. Oh my goodness, Lithium, you almost gave me a panic attack just thinking about that, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that makes sense, Nix. Yeah, I'm with you. School trolled you hard. School really did. Okay, so chat, what did I want to work on? We'll try a little bit for some interactive Twitch stuff, and then we'll do something else. I need to find out. We'll ask ChatGPT if it knows. Boss or Kane, just Kane, whatever you want to pick it up. I'll be there soon. Is there a Twitch API message to check when a stream went live? I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. Get streams. Send it back to school with socks dipped in color and hand out open. Just do the Uno reverse card. Exactly. I still can't believe this is really the best way. Love you, bro. You're like a kinda dad. What? You're saying, oh, you love you, bro, as in talking to me. You're kind of like a kind dad. Oh, you're like a kind dad. I got it. I was there. Eventually I got there. Nice. Thank you. I do try and be a kind dad. What's up, Marcel? Good thing is it doesn't this. ChatGPT will make it up for you. This is really the best way. This seems so stupid. Twitch API. Ah! Check my dark mode. What is going on with this? Does anyone know why it's doing this? Can I see something in my console here? What is going on? Nice. Twitch doesn't work. Okay. Here, well, we'll only show half the screen so you guys don't get completely blinded from this then. Stream. How's it going? It's going good for you. I'm doing great, Slammy. What about you? Twitch API shaking hands. We are. Is there really no way to see when someone interactive frames live configuration plays? Oh, it's Thursday. Twitch API reference. Extension live channels. Create stream marker. We're started at. Get extension analytics. No. Is there really no... Get game analytics? No. Is there just like streams? Get streams. First, before, after. Are they sorted by time? So can I just do one of these and get what the last stream was? Started at. Okay. Did we find you can do streams with limit 1? I think that's the plan, yeah. I think that is. Sorry for running on to offer you promotion of your channel. Oh, thanks. Go to Streamrise. Well, see you later. What Elixir else are you using right now? I'm actually using 2, Marcel. I want to, I need to start saving when streams start so we can get when we have like the stream, so we can know something like per stream. Because I was thinking about adding something at least maybe once or twice a week where we could do, if we have sort of like a daily sub goal. Real reading comprehension moment there. Yeah, real sad. Where we could do like, okay, I'll stay and do an extra hour of like variety stream. If we reach like a certain sub goal for the day, like that kind of thing. I think that might be kind of fun. Where we could play some games or do some polybridge or other stuff like that, right? Yeah, Lua Earl. Yep, it's very cool. Actually, that was the thing that inspired me to write the OCaml one. Check type query param as well. Request query type live. Oh, nice. Very cool. Okay, so we can try this right now. Some sub-based games. Sub-based games would be fun, yeah. They're just harder to organize. I don't really have a system for managing it. We can't do the event sub one because the server might not be up. We'll do this one. I think we'll just request it from here. What would be the ultimate challenge for you that you just hate? Could that be a thing to do in reaching a goal? Yeah, I do need to think of a new larger sub goal to attempt to as well. Any chart about the layout of your keyboard? It's pretty standard QWERTY stuff. I think QMK. Yeah, I have my layout somewhere in there. Like get schedule down and then playing around, do screenshots with a solid stream per day and 110 and one base. Yeah. Well, that's pretty much what I'm doing now. Lithium is I'm just doing the night stream after everybody goes to bed, after I hang out with Kayleen for a little bit and then coming back on. So that's pretty much kind of the goal of what I'm trying to do. But the problem is I can't just stream. It's not a problem. Like I like the other stuff too, but I'm doing like, YouTube videos and some other stuff, right? Working on my course, blah, blah, blah. So I can't just stream the whole day. Main advantage for Elixir is concurrency and the community. Yeah. Read VS documentation on stream. Yeah. To switch workflow setup with Prime. It's funny. Order came from YouTube on your end. We could love the series. Humble search. Please do a video on how to organize files. Yeah, we could do something like that. But I do need to think of a larger sub goal as well. But we'll sort of get there. Oh, that's the other thing I need to do. Let's open up this, and I'm just gonna make some issues for myself to track stuff. I wanted to do like a daily sub goal, and then I wanted to do larger, like a running sub goal. Yeah. And then I wanted to do, we need to add sub notifications, right? Just one. Gifted and like individual. We already have some stuff, but we don't notify it. We're getting the notifications from stream elements. Ooh, and I also wanted to do Twitch chat. Maybe we should work on the Twitch chat one first. You started right as I go for lunch. Oh, nice, Hacks. Very cool. Are you expecting a new addition to the family soon? Yeah, in August. Well, they're just for me, so I don't forget. What do I need any details for? I could waste time writing something, or I could just know what I mean. What's up, Nike? So, all right. So the first one, let's just see right off the bat here. API handler. When we start this up, what do I want to do? When I start this up, I want to check, I guess, and see if I'm currently live. I always forget if I don't put a little detail. Well, this is pretty obvious what these are for, chat. Oh, I think my grandparents are here. I might go say hi to them soon. Figured out the NVIDIA Star Coder mode for fun. Oh, nice. What's up, Patet? So, okay, so we can do something where we check if currently live, right? Then I guess we also want to, on our event sub, we probably do want to listen for the event, right? Because basically what I want to do is I need to handle for my bot whether we when we go live, if I go live and the bot's not running, when I start the bot, I want it to say, oh, I see that you're live, I'll add a new entry. Otherwise, when we do that, then we'll go and we'll look for the event sub to do it. I think that seems good. Dude, I know I've been trying to tell him if he gives me I told him already, I talked to him about doing an affiliate link and he wasn't interested, but I'm like, I don't think you get it. You could sell a lot more Berkeley Mono with an affiliate link. Like a lot more. But that's okay. That's what I'm saying. I know a lot of people see it and like it because of stream. Okay, so we need to go to, you got nothing wrong. That's okay. Not everything has to be about getting money. So, some things kind of do have to be, but I bought Berkeley, but not because of Teach. Shame. Hater on non-C-text, but I don't know, kind of digging differences. Yeah, nice. Nice, Kenneth. Very cool. So we need to make a new model here. We need to make a new model here. Or a new schema. All right, this is where I'm thinking I should just switch Ash to this one as well, because Ash seems awesome, but we'll try and do it the old way. Schema. Yeah, let's go ahead and do Phoenix Gen schema, Twitch live stream. Twitch live streams. What would I have inside of here? What do we get back? What do we get back here? My font scares me because I think I love a new font and switch back after 4 hours. Many such cases, true. Teach. It's the same reason I use Smart Nightshade. Yeah, Berkeley model. It is similar to the other ones. Chat, is he moving to Ash? I'm not moving to Ash for this one, Ryan. But I did try it in the other one. And I like it a lot so far. I did all of like 3 lines of Ash, and I was thinking that's pretty cool. Lithium, stop lying! How many programming languages have you tried out? Oh, I don't know. A lot, Ferret. Yeah. Okay, so we have an ID. Do I even need to put ID? ID automatically gets generated. ID string. This is the problem. Like, I don't even like this thing. It makes one and then it doesn't work. And I don't know, man. Started at date time. I don't even know what I'm supposed to put here. Something like this. Create Twitch live stream. We'll see if this is good. Good morning, team. What's up, Zillion? Oh, and Pravon. I read okay. Well, by the way, me too, a bunch. I'm stoked about Ash. I think it seems cool. Atom VM is almost cooler than Gleam, in my opinion. I don't know Atom VM. Rip alerts. Oh, man, is it? I forgot that I need to toggle this. This will be, oh, yeah, it's broken. Oh, that's because I need to migrate. It's telling me I have migrations that need to run. Compilation. ID already exists. Ugh. Okay, this is like primary key. Oops. That's why. Okay. Hodl chat, we're almost there. Primary key false. Primary key false. Primary key true. Okay, there we go. That gets me every time. Oh, and then I got to go to live stream page here and go to here and say schema. Where did I do this before? Oh, yeah, like this. Okay. Now we're talking. Now we should have theme songs again. Java Magic will also escape patches. That seems what? Stronger version Magic because of Laravel days. Yeah, it's fair enough, Ryan. I mean, we'll try it and we'll see. You know what I'm saying? It also could be one of those things where I would be happy to... There's several technologies. I feel this way like about some parts of Rust and a lot of other like parts of other languages too. There's features that I love if I'm the only one using them. For example, C macros. Huge fan. I just don't want anyone else to write them. Remat key bindings, any of them? Yeah, you can change your key bindings. Yeah, of course. So I'm wondering if I'm gonna feel that way about Ash. Do you know? Does that make sense, Ryan? Do you know what I'm saying? Where it's like, oh, I'm the only one writing the code. I really don't care that it has a bunch of magic. I always use the magic just this way, and it always does exactly this thing. Right? But then if I had 10 other people working on the project, there's no way you all agree on how to use the magic. And so then you end up casting different spells. Right? And then it's not good. What up, C2C2? Whatever I'm agreeing to I missed during stand-up. Exactly. Like the fact that I don't have stand-up, maybe that's why Ash will be good. How about when you come back to your project 6 months later? See, that's mostly just a skill issue problem. I don't suffer from those. No, I mean, obviously, like if I don't use it for a long time, I'll forget. But But that's like kind of fine. I don't really feel like I'll remember everything about Phoenix. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll also forget some stuff about Phoenix. So that's not such a big worry for me. What's Ash? It's like something built kind of on top of Phoenix and like Ecto and some other stuff. We're not using it for this project right now, but I'm gonna hopefully use it for my like photo startup that I'm working on. Yeah, Ryan, I watched a few talks from them, and it's like, okay, sure, yeah. Right, on top is the wrong way to say it, but I feel like it's a fair way of describing it in one sentence. Is you can write your regular Ecto? Yep, yeah, right, because it's still just using Ecto inside of there. Ash is the dude that owns the Pokemon. Pikachu, right? Where do we place the command line here? It's the best feature if I use it and absolutely worst if someone else uses it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I agree. Windows made my new PC somehow slower than 12-year-old Linux PC with web browsing. Remind me, how is this acceptable? Well, don't worry. It's going to start going much faster once they start snapshotting everything you do and saving it with an AI and processing it. I said the command line. What? That's what I call it, at least. What up, Johnny? Okay. So now we should have select star from Twitch live streams, right? There's just nothing in there. No rows. Okay, great. The overhead of that alone hurts my brain. I know, I'm thinking about it. Need to get over my PTSD. Yeah. Ryan, I watched, I think 2 or 3 like longer talks from them about what they were shooting to do and how they were structuring it. And I was like, okay, I can see that. And then quite a few of their stuff in the doc reading last night. I read the docs there for like an hour and a half or 2 hours last night, and it really liked it. The best line, which they should have had at first, was extensive compile time checks tell you if you screwed something up. I said, aha. Now we're talking. I can use Vim motions on that command line, but I see Prime using it. And also works on, well, yeah, because you're in command mode, right? If you want to edit commands, you got to do Q:, like this, and now you're in the command. These are all commands that you've done. Then you can press. I thought there was like enter or something. Yeah, Control Enter and it'll work. I don't really remember, something like that, and you can make it work. I don't have to do it very often, so I forget. They put another layer of abstraction. Yeah, it like puts other pieces together with Phoenix and Ecto and some other stuff too. Why is it color scheme and not set color scheme? Because color scheme isn't an option, it's a command. I hate QW. Well, just don't press the wrong buttons, Hex. That's what I feel as well, right? It seems like a lot of leverage. That's why I want to use it. What's up, Paisel? Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to say, okay, when I start this up, let's go ahead and close a few of these because we've got too much random stuff going on. This is, let me just put this in my Obsidian for notes later. I'll just do them. There we go. Great. Oh, wait, don't lose this. I don't need this anymore. We can go to live stream here. I don't think I really need anything else besides this, right? It's refreshing you identify NVIM skill issues quickly. How much do you know this Vim? Did you read the manual? I read the manual. What do you think the cheapest way is to deploy a full stack app? Cloudflare tunnels. Yeah, Jeepa, I can see that, yeah. All right, so what do we need to do here? What do I need to do? I need to do something that actually writes these. Cloudflare tunnels based. Exactly. That's the cheapest way. It's the cheapest way. You already have the hardware. Yeah, Ryan, I'd be really interested to know what you think of Ash after you give it a try. I can show you. So like I was playing with it a little bit right here. And like some of the things I really like is that like I say what I want to do in Postgres right here, right? And then this can update the schema. That was one of the things I really liked about it. So like if I go back to here and I say attribute shy, is shy rai bool. Is it bool? Boolean? I don't remember. And I regen this. I really like that add user add email here. Like, you know what I'm saying? It just generates this migration, right? I really like that. Because otherwise I get them messed up. I feel like I'm writing them in too many places, blah, blah, blah. But then there's, you can also do, what was it again? There's, I don't know, like custom statements. You can just literally write a custom statement here and just put the if you have like weird SQL you need to write, just write it. That's fine. You know, you can just write your custom statements here for up and down for stuff. Right. So it's like, it did seem like all of the hooks are like well exposed for you to fix problems. Oh, interesting. Oracle Cloud. Yeah, I don't know. So I like this. This is what I'm looking for if someone's going to do a bunch of work for me. I'd rather do this kind of thing. Than... I still haven't tried it. I'm just really excited. Yeah. I mean, I tried it a little bit last night and read a lot. So every level from Ash to Echo to SQL. Exactly. That's what I was saying as well, right? So it's like I have this level, and then we have Ecto, and then we even have just SQL, right? So it's like each one along the way is nice. Shadow, did I say thanks for the sub? I'm not sure if I said thank you. Okay. So we want to be able to do this request. Let's just go ahead. You have now, so thank you. Nice. A bunch of tutorials and something that are docs. I mean, I've tried it. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Gotcha. Okay, so let's try this. Twitch API dot get state dot auth endpoint is streams. How do we do this before? Yes, streams. Whoops. And then this is going to be params, right? It's like params. Yeah. Broadcaster, state.broadcaster ID. Oh, that's a user ID. Okay, user ID. Type live. Language, that doesn't matter. First one, I think, right? Oh yeah, hey, thanks Nike. Watched your dev videos and was stoked to give it a run. Set up debugging TypeScript Express server, but I'm surprised you have to communicate way more BS because TypeScript isn't a real language, so I gave up again. Yeah. Ryan, yours never played? Are you sure? It's yeah, it's a whole Twitch interactive experience. Here, we'll just because I do think you're probably right. I think I scuffed something up while we were here earlier. Everyone's theme songs now can play, you know. That's not expired
so
yet.
Much to give.
Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach.
Yeah, well, so
You ever drunk Bailey's from a shoe?
so when a subscriber sends their first message of the day, it plays their theme song. So that's what's popping up here, up above me. Right, and they choose and do all the theme song from here. Ryan's just always trying to throw shade at me. And they can control it via their dashboard.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
This one. Which one was yours again, Johnny? I'll buy one air, of course. You stream? I do. How do you set a theme song? You have to do it from Twitch chats. We don't have YouTube integration yet. So we built all of that. Now we're trying to do something.
I am your father.
The Slack one gets people every time. That's Mahika. That's Mahika with the Slack noti. It's a classic, chat. It's a classic. It does right here. So what I want to do is, I thought I had some tasks to test this out. Let me see if I had one that was doing...
We're mostly going to beat each other senseless, make enemies with Disney, tell a few dick jokes, make a few jokes at my expense.
True. All right, so let's try this. Let's do send message. It's not really the right thing, but we can do mix.task.re-enable. Send message. Mix task run. Send message. Let's see what this says. Success. Attempted function closet showing 1 out of 1 when pop is list keyword and is Adam. First one, type live user ID here. 2 success, 3 ID. Oh, did it get messed up because of debug somehow? Teaching's a hot new crypto. What's a teach coin? Exactly. I need to watch people use them here. And then we can do, oh, I forgot. This part also is connected. So now if people want to send different color schemes and stuff, which I know people are going to send hot dog, I'm aware, but what can you do? Lose my first message, right? If you don't have a theme song, then it doesn't count against your first message of the day. See, Dan? Okay, what does this even mean? No function clause matching in keyword pop. Oh, yeah, there we go. Some hot dogging. Thoughts on obscure geopolitical topic? Probably that I can solve it. You passed a map to a keyword list? I don't know. Did I Twitch API get? Oh, I did. You're right. Params. Following arguments are given to pop, keyword pop 3. Did I do this wrong? Invisible Curse theme song. I don't even know where all of the things are that you guys are making. So that part's recompile. Okay, there we go. Nice. Body. Boom. We got some data. It says I'm live. Ultimate Twitch chat experience. Easy G problem on leak code. Exactly. Give me the power. I'll solve them all. Probably, I don't even need to solve it. Just you guys hearing my opinion will solve the problem. Yeah. Interactive is activated. Run our tag select Lance on WM. Cool stuff. Oh, nice, Ruben. Okay, so this is good. This is what I wanted to see here. So we can go back to our API handler. What do we want to do here? We want to say, okay, no, that's not right, and that's not right. So this gets us...
How you doing?
We want to do something like okay data stream, right? That's what we had. Where'd that go again? We should have okay and then body. Oh, right. Like this, I'm pretty sure. Put on your 3D glasses now. Did you see the R1? I didn't watch it yet. And was it good? I'm using your workflow that project per workspace fits me nicely. Oh, nice, Ruben. Yeah, I also quite. Oh no. Oh, this is not looking good, chat. That's a just finish data sign for mere mortals. Gonna start with zero production. I read a decent amount of that book. It's very cool. Respawn the players who lost. Long till Holy See compiler.
My name is John Dacre.
What's up, Calder? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Thanks, mods. I appreciate that.
How would you say your mental focus is?
It was focused.
Oh, it's focused.
It was focused. Turns out Rabbit is an Android app. Yeah, I thought we already knew that part. What up, Jack? John, good to see you. Is there an easy way to restart a Gen server? Is there an easy way to restart a Gen server completely from IEX? How to... Oh, we can switch back to 4.0. To restart a Gen server completely in IEX. How is it started? I don't know. The supervisor. I want to restart this one.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met
That's
Mary
6
Kate.
seconds,
The
Purplish.
same day that I met Ashley.
That is 6 seconds. Oh, but I have to make the initial state again. So that doesn't really work, does it? Because I don't have the auth again. You could tell it to exit or kill it and let the supervisor restart it. Oh, really? Well, how can I do that? How can I do that then? Being API and they want microscope deep into Windows OS. Imagine someone's unable to book emergency medical appointments. Yeah. Or maybe why, like, adding more complicated things to stuff doesn't actually solve it. Been listening to Mary Kate and Ashley that all day. I hope you're happy. I am. You can pass whatever state. Well, the problem is, chat, I have my API keys in there, so I can't just like type it onto the screen to restart it. Can I just do gen server stop and then my gen server? What if I do this? Gen server stop. And then we do mixery.twitch.api handler like this. Does it restart it now? Oh, awesome. Dude, Elixir is so cool. Look at that. Nice, it just restarted it. No problemo. No way. Didn't know Josh Hutcherson. Oh, you weren't aware? You guys haven't seen me in my movies? I didn't know you. I thought everybody knew I was in those movies. Oh, man. How do I unsee that? Oh, if you think that one's cursed. If you think that one's cursed. Where? Then you don't want to see this one.
Why are you doing this?
If you thought the first one was cursed, then you're missing that one. Dax makes it so much funnier. Oh, man. Every dual steamer on twitch.television. Exactly. That Dax face. Oh, man. That one's weird. It's true. It's true. We don't play that one as often because I feel uncomfortable. Even playing it at all. What about you as Palpatine? I do have the Palpatine one as well, of course. Someone has to gift a sub though before I can play it. Obviously. It makes me comfortable. Interesting. $5 a month. I'll just play for you anyways, Calder, just because you asked. This is my last clip. I don't have any other good tricks after this one. Each year, thousands of people around the world suffer from can't read the doxiosis. A story as tragic as the one of Darth Plagueis the Wise, although you probably haven't heard of it. This year, I hope that we're able to solve this problem for a low, low price. $5 a month! How do you have hours to watch me? It's a really good question. It's a really good question. Hey, thanks, Pez. Appreciate it. Oh, but I'll call it Osamo. Oh. Time is money, after all. That is amazing video. Thank you. Do Prime Sub work for theme songs? They sure do. They sure do. Couldn't even make it through the whole thing. I know. I'm aware. Elixir deserves a sub. What about the Primogen subs? Those don't count here. That was a good ad. You need to add your everything great about Emacs as a clip. True. Well, we probably should add that one. Okay. Broadcast didn't work. What didn't work? Meow. Hey, thank you. Scored. Thank you. as well for the first time chat. Okay, so I want to go to Mixery here. We need to make a new event. We'll make it, we'll start this over. We'll go Twitch live stream event, Twitch live stream event. We need to make a new event, def broadcast event, Twitch live stream start and broadcast. We need to go to events here. Let's go to Twitch live stream ex. Yes. Def module event.twitch live stream start do end. Def struct started at. Mixery. We also need to do Twitch live stream start. Uh-oh, what do we have wrong here? Event.twitch live stream start. Oh, whoops. Mixery. Mixery.event. There we go. Nice. Compile error. Yep. We're good. We're back. The other ones are getting worried about you. Is Elixir good for video streaming, like merge two videos and stream back without using FFmpeg? Doesn't everyone use FFmpeg for that eventually? I'm pretty sure everybody does that eventually. Boom. Down. Stupid question, but why use Elixir over Gleam? It's not a stupid question.
Said as Louis, silent S because it is French. Louis.
Speaking of Gleam, though, Gleam's awesome, but I think I'm mostly in it right now for Phoenix at the moment, inside of Elixir land, as well as Live View. What's up, Hamster Boy? Thanks for the Prime. Elixir is great to use FFmpeg. It's Louis. Check out how far you can get with membrane.system. Yeah, membrane seems very powerful. Hey, Sweep, good to see you. Louis, I'll tell Prime that it's not Lewis. Okay, I'll tell him. What kind of color scheme event are we using? It's my own groove, buddy. I'll tell him. I'm just gonna type to him like this. I'm gonna say, "Yo, Prime. You know Louis? His name is pronounced Louis." The Gleam guy? I'll just say this. I'm messaging him right now. Alright, there we go. Sorry, video transcoding. We couldn't use FFmpeg for some nonsense commercial reason. It was painful. Dang. I can already picture Prime saying, "I don't care. I'm using an exonym. I don't care about your name." Thanks, Johnny. Louis. We'll see what he says. Oh man. Okay. You won't remember it. That's true. Isn't that what nicknames are though? Just exonyms we put up with? Fair. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to go to API handler. We'll go here and then hello. Then I want to go Mixery broadcast event dot Twitch live stream start ID is stream ID. Dang, that's cool. And started at is started at. Started at is stream. Started at. I suppose I could pattern match these out. I suppose that's probably what you would say I need to do. Broadcast event. Whoops. Would be saying like, hey, why don't you just go like this? Stream is just ID, and started at. We do this, we just go like this, and ID, and then started at. Just use the pattern matching inside of there. True. If you stand, I'll stand. It was a good run. Why did my music stop? Oh, probably because I'm restarting it in the middle of the theme song going. I'm restarting the Phoenix connection in the middle, and so it doesn't like persist in the right way. That makes sense. Okay, so now we should be getting this event. Where should I put this? Where have I been writing? Because it just seems weird. Like, this is good. We can put this here. Those brackets on 95 look mental. Oh, yeah, like a bunch of them right here. Yeah, it's just because of ligatures are trying to squish these together. I'm not sure I really like the double curly ligature very much, but what can you do? Okay. What was I going to do before, chat? All right, okay, so now we have this. So now this wouldn't make sense to do. Where am I like listening for other things here? I feel like the audio player, our server. It would kind of make sense for it to be here, I feel like. Subscribe to Twitch live stream. Some fonts you choose the ligatures you want to avoid some others. You can't. What up, Juan Pack? Okay, so now we can do a def handle info. No, that was new close. Def handle info. Event.neo Twitch live stream start with ID started at state here. I think no reply and state, right? Yeah. Ligatures, indeed. Is there a way to restart the whole application? Because I want to I guess I want to restart. I can do Mixery server. That'll restart. And then I can do the other one here. And then, oh, look at this. Got live stream start event. Let's go. Stack Overflow data is going to end up on ChatGPT. Imagine next question. Is there possible duplicate learn to code, you noob? Stupid question. Exactly. Nice. Okay. Oh, that's I understand. Yeah. Application stop. Oh, really? Will that restart everything? What is this? Unexpected message and handle info. Event reward. Oh, it's a reward that I don't have a handler for right now? Seems weird. Huh. Did my reward IDs change or something? That doesn't make any sense. Are people's Teach coins not getting counted right now? Oh, I don't know what time that is. No, it looks like we're good. Yeah. Yeah, we are. Buy German coffee and use code TEAJ at checkout. Exactly, Flip. Exactly. Yep. I don't, so wait, where am I getting this that I haven't handled this? Make sure your channel have NeoVim PID here. Received unexpected handle info. Channel, oh, it's in my NeoVim channel. NeoVim channel. Handle info. Event reward. Redemption. Status fulfilled. Wouldn't this... Mixery event reward. But this says status is fulfilled right here. Fulfilled. Fulfilled. 2 L's, 2 L's. I spelled that all right. That part's good. Does that not work? Redemption, redemption. How can this be? Oh, maybe this is just somewhere else. Channel, NeoVim. No. That seems right. I think recompile and init restart, that works. Okay. Yeah, we could try that as well. Recompile. Init restart. Can't SSH into terminal.shop? Like at all or what? Time to use DAP to check. We might need to. Yeah. It's possible that it was something because I had restarted some of the servers or not. I was making game prototype in less than today. Sure, depends on the game and your skills. Opinions on Emacs. It's a cool editor. I like it. It's not really for me because I think I align closer to NeoVim. But I think Emacs is cool. What happens now if I click this? Okay. Yeah, so it must have just been that I'd restarted this and then it didn't know what to do. Okay. Nice. Okay, cool. Oh, we have some cute events that people sent that weren't connected. Org mode. Org mode seems cool. Lisp is fine. I don't think Lisp is that. Lisp is fine. Well, Emacs was half as fast. Yeah, that's part of the problem for sure. Terminal.shop is up. Okay, cool. Fog of War, nice. I didn't want to see where I was gonna go anyways. So that's fine. I'm just gonna spend this time thinking anyways. Always had a soft spot for Slate. I think it's one of the built-in themes. Oh, interesting. Oh, a Nightshade, it's your theme. Hey, Nightshade, it's your theme. Okay, so now we should be, when we emit this, what do I want to do? Right, I had my server here, and we have our stream start here. What I want to do is I want to go, do I have the repo? Okay, I do. So we can do repo dot insert or update. How often have I used this? Right, we can do mixery.twitch live stream ID is ID and started at is started at. Does this really not, like... Why is this not formatting? What is going on? It's cooking some part of my written stills knows basic is the thing. What? So you can use, oh yeah. Borland theme. Eiffel 65 would like to have a word with you. This function call will not succeed. Okay. Will never return since first argument difference from the success typing arguments. Oh, well, that's cool. Okay, so what does this say? Interesting. Oh, I need to make a change set, right? Do I have to do it like this? I can never remember which one I'm supposed to do here. Usually mine with a line number, underrated language feature. Smart. See ya, Hex. Thanks for hanging. All right, so let's say we do... Wait, why did this error? Matching right hand side of value for keyboard 1 3 seconds delay. I thought I turned that off. Dun, 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 dun. So now if we do this, I think it's gonna error, right? Because it's gonna say this tried to insert this, but it doesn't have a conflict, right? Don't I have like conflicts? I already forgot everything about this even. Quiet. This is pretty quiet. Conflict. You can probably just do inserts. What are my options here? I guess we can do that. It's fine. We'll just update it. As long as you don't understand syntax. Yeah. Should work on like 2 second delay. I'm just close my eyes and hope for the best. Nice. All right, so let's try this again and let's restart this. And so now we should be getting... I don't want these insert and updated times to keep on going up though. So I guess I want to on conflict Phoenix or ecto repo, and we want to do what are we looking for on conflict? I guess we want to do insert here on conflict. Maybe we want to raise nothing. Nothing is what I want. Okay. And then we'll restart this, and then these times shouldn't change. 15. Beautiful. I use Pop! OS. What? That Laravel photo sharing app? Oh, yeah. We're not doing that right now, but it's going to actually be in Elixir. Thoughts on using Tmux? It seems like a great tool. I just have never... It just doesn't fit my workflow very much. Oh, yeah. Pop! OS. I love it. System 76 computer and everything over here, too. Edit today. Makes Phoenix new. Laravel photo sharing. Basically what I did. Their desktop is great. The tiling works, I think, like fine for a non-tiling window manager, but yeah. I mean, I am using a window manager. I'm using Awesome WM. This is not like Pop! OS's window manager, but I'm using Pop! OS as like the OS, right? Updating, yeah. Adding more features to our interactive Twitch experience. 76 invented in 76. But I think it's supposed to be about freedom, like 1776. That's what I thought at least, or something. Are you gonna try Cosmic? I have it on my laptop. I have a System 76 laptop, and it works good. Hi, Wyatt. If you change projects, you just move to a new workspace? Yep. Yeah, that is what I do. Tomorrow. Commands, add, tomorrow. Is it the new Cosmic or the old Cosmic? Is there something that you need to do? Is there something you need to do switch to the new one? I thought it was like the default. Maybe I need to switch. I don't know. What are you guys laughing at? I don't even know what you're laughing at. We need to switch. It's still beta. Oh, interesting. The Rust-based Cosmic? Yeah, it's not out yet. Wouldn't bother. Oh, I don't know. Now that's a theme. What up, geek? Okay, so this is awesome. So we now have our Twitch live stream, which is great. That's a lot of red. Oh, you got a keylogger on? We do. We actually made it ourselves. It only logs things that I do inside of normal mode. See this? See how it doesn't type blah, 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 blah? Think we're going to do it? Well, I don't like it still for other stuff. I think it's pointless to show you guys how much, all the letters I'm typing. But this one shows you what movements I'm making. Right? This looks like it did when I first started programming. Yeah. Did you do it with Lua? Kind of. I mean, it's hooked up with Phoenix. So basically, oops, that's not the button I meant to press. On key. I just send an on key message basically when I start, and it sends the keys over. But this here only is in plugin here. Basically, it says if there wasn't anything typed, if it's in file types that I don't want to show, so like, you know, or if I could add environment or other things like this, blah, blah, blah. And then if it's not in normal mode, then don't show anything. What's your opinion on FT versus WB for horizontal movements? I use them both a lot. As you can clearly see, in the following file, that we have these ignored file types and other, right? It's very clearly, you can see. It just checks the mode and other stuff, and then it sends the keys over. Is that the sequel life for Telescope Smart History being a noob and failed to do it? I thought it just worked. I don't remember, Slammy. Yes, I see. So anyways, that's basically what's going on there. So you can see some of, and you actually see the keys I press, which is nice. Not what like goes to NeoVim. So like I have Control W maps to Control W. Oh, not Control W. Whoops. Like Control L maps to Control W, Control L. People's having disaster with it. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to check later, Slammy. All right, so for theme song, where that's in chat handler, where do we do theme song here? I guess it's maybe, where did I put that? Chat handler? No, that's where we do the downloads. Makes sense. Has played theme song today, right? So this is where we've got, right? We need to get a different fragment here or a different item here. What's the easiest way? I guess is there a travel backwards by end of word? Currently BBB and then E. I think GE. Yeah. E G E G E G E G E G E. How does one gain tokens for the Elixir dashboard? You get them with channel points. You can exchange them, or you can gift subs. Or when you are a sub, you'll get points too. So you're a tier 3. You should be getting more subs every month, Nike, than other people. You also get more channel points as well, just naturally. Because you get more channel points watching. At some point, we'll add GitHub sponsors as well. And some other ways for people to get coins. Okay. All right, so we now are tracking. Oh, we should probably do the event sub one for it too. Where is our event sub reference? We want to... Do we do that here? Channel, chat message, ad break, begin, channel cheer, channel follow. Do we have one for like stream? Stream online, stream offline. Nice. Stream.online. Stream.online. Specify broadcaster starts a stream. Send the notification when the broadcaster starts a stream. Type version condition. Yes. So we'd get this. And we'd get... the payload event looks like started at. Great. That's exactly what we wanted. BBBBW would be less keystrokes, probably. Does anyone know why my Twitch chat looks like it's at 80% opacity? No, that's pretty weird. Well, this was only if your bot's up all the time, right? So you need to kind of do both if you want, like you need to ask first, are you online currently and when did you start? And then you can listen the rest of the time, right? So we should have an event sub handler here and we should be able to get stream.online. Which will be a different event. Handle event, channel chat notification. Am I supposed to reply something to these handle events? Invalid coin? Something broke? That's weird. Twitch profile.new is undefined. Twitch profile. Oh yeah, this just doesn't exist anymore. Nice. LSP info. Where is my Elixir LS? Why is Lexical's the one that crashed? It's weird. Okay, let's just restart this. Does this still work? Okay, that seems like it's working. That doesn't seem as good. Could release one result but got none in the query. We're in form E and mixture effect where ID is nothing. Huh, interesting. An empty event ID and handle event. Is someone clicking something that doesn't exist? Clicked. Handle event. Dashboard live 174. Dashboard live 174. Click. Effect ID effect. When effect ID not equal Yeah. And that's weird right here, right? How are they just clicking? Oh, anytime something gets clicked, we send this event on accident, probably. Oh, is this when people press play, probably? This is probably happening when people press play. Probably I did something wrong here.
Mary Kate and Ashley.
Or someone's messing with me. It's possible too. They're trying to mess with me. That one seems weird. I don't know how we got that. It's really weird to get nothing as the as that. Open the video link. I'm not gonna open the video link. It's probably Rickroll anyways. Oh, incredible. Someone's trying to Rickroll me by sending this. Wow, amazing. I knew it. Good joke. All right, so probably what we should do is we should check to make sure that execute effects. On here we can go, instead of doing git, we can just go know that URL too well. So git should return okay, and schema T. What does it return? Ecto repo again. We'll go back to here. Git. Sure, it's this one, right? So what does this actually look like? I thought it returned like okay or something. Oh, can it? Oh, it can return nil. How'd you know it was Rickroll? It literally is the URL. Like, it's pretty obvious, chat. When we have nil, I don't know. And then otherwise we have effect. We take this and we just put this here like this. Okay, what just happened? Why is it that suddenly the Vim LSP format request about no matching language strippers? Well, that doesn't make any sense. Oh, is it because Lexical keeps crashing? Okay, why is Lexical still crashing? That doesn't make any sense. See notes in error, stack timeout. Failed to load some library. Okay, well we'll try that again. That's weird. All right, one sec. Let's fix this first, and then we'll go check it out. There's no way you can get published mathematician with a Rickroll. What? Oh, me. Yeah, I published math. That's right. Thank you for him Kickstarter and joining a lot. No problem. When I see your streams or primes, you guys restart LSP a zillion times as part of the Vim experience. I haven't had to do it in forever. I think I messed something up with my Elixir environments. So let's just try again. We'll see if I messed something up with my environment. Whoops. What math did you publish? Just a little something about the complex planes. The dual and double planes. Invalid associating coin. In this. Mixery coin is not next to a schema. Mixery coin. Oh yeah. That's true. It's a good point. OTP come out without this. Weird. What is it doing? Elixir LS is doing crazy stuff right now. Local share, nvim, bin, Mason, bin, lexical, server. Okay, well, there you go. Wait, why do I have 27.0 as my... Oh. Okay. We need to switch this back to reasonable versions again. I tried to install Erlang 27. Yeah. That seems better. That seems better. Yep. Probably I also want to remove everything in build, but just in case, I think it'll be fine. If Future Fusion and lag so bad sometimes crash entire app. Yeah, I'm using mini surround right now. That makes sense. It makes sense that the LSP couldn't run, so it wasn't running. Pretty reasonable. Both extra applications and application front end are mixed. You mostly want to remove applications key as all applications are derived from your dependencies. Okay. Extra applications. What does this mean? What does this word mean? You mostly like want to remove the applications. Is that someone else's? Is that not even compiling mine? I can't tell if that's mine or somewhere else. It looks like it's from somewhere else. Does it not? From a dep? Okay, cool. Nice. That's not my files. Nice. Now lexical's working again. Very cool. So we can go back to I was doing execute effect here, right? Yeah. This will make it so that unhandled effect ID. Nice. There we go. Formatting again. That's good. Nil should be before the repo get. Nil handle should be before the repo get. No, I'm casing the repo get. The effect ID itself isn't nil. It was like an empty string or a string that didn't exist. I could get back something that's not a valid effect. That's what we have right here, basically. I'm saying I don't pass nil to this. We can also do when is binary. I'm saying I don't pass nil to it. But we can just do this if it makes you happier. We can just add more guards. We can be smart. Like, I believe you that passing nil will make Git throw an error. I believe you on that part. Okay. Overload that pattern matches nil and then print out the context. Guards! Seize the chatter! Okay, well, that seems pretty good. Okay, so next thing I wanted to do was in... Right, in here, what I wanted to try was Instead of checking this for current date, I wanted to check this for latest stream, basically, right? So if we go to DBUI, go back to here, and we're here, we have this. I want to get the latest started at, right? So instead of doing current date here, we need to get this started at. Now, there will be more of these, right? Chris Evelyn, thanks. And 3 months in advance. Thank you. This is basically like, I want to find, I need to put something instead of current date here. Instead of this, we need to do basically like some subquery, which is like from max started at. Okay, nice. Should I delete nvim, macOS tar.gz file, or need to run? You won't need it anymore after you've downloaded. You still live? I started again in the morning. I've only been live for an hour and a half right now. Can sort and limit 1. That's kind of what I was thinking. Well, doesn't... Surely the SQL planner is going to pick something smart for finding this, right? Like, won't Postgres do something smart for this? He's talking to me in the past. It's precog, yeah. Max is effectively sorting limited by... That's like... That seems like a query planner can solve that. I'm going to go around and grab a little more coffees and it'll be tree index, then it has to compute the max. Yeah, B-tree index on start at, then it'll be naturally ordered. Okay, we could add an index to it, would be fine. Good live stream, gotta run. Hey, thanks. I'm gonna go run and grab a little more coffee, and then I'll be back shortly, chat. So you're saying start a Kubernetes cluster? Aggressive sort suggestion because an index. It's one streamer. Full scan compute will be. Yeah, it'll be basically no time at all. I was saying we can add the thing later. Doesn't really matter right now. GCP deletes teach going. No. Shard the DB by chatter. I think you guys are the ones doing all the sharding. Remember, RAID is not a backup. Don't even need the index. Parallel query probably super fast. Yeah, it'll be fast. Chat, even if I do a stream, I stream every day. It'll just be like 300 streams a year. You know, it's like, it's not that many. I shard every day. I know, chat. Okay, so how can I do this as a subquery here, right? I want to say something like th this is greater than, and then can I do something like this? How can I do this basically? Max. I need to get this value, but I want to put it all inside of one query. I'm gonna try Elixir in the first place. Was it Theo? Yeah. Yep. Join foo in subquery. I don't know where I'm supposed to put that. Down here. Join. Where's the raw dog SQL? I mean, we can just go back to here and just go select max of started at from Twitch live streams. Right? Can I just do this? Does this work? No, it was not. Theo was not the one that convinced me to try Elixir. It was mostly Shirai. This type of query is always a pain. How do I write this in Ecto, basically? How do I write this in Ecto land? Don't tell Antonio that we're taking longer to not write SQL and that we're doing this instead. And also don't let Ryan know. Select max Okay, so let me just write the subquery here, right? So from, stream. Can we tell Dax? Sure. In mixery.twitch live stream, select max. Can I just do this? Stream.started at. And then can I just go th inserted at? Like, can I do this? Do you have a link so that Dax face we can throw in a Dax command? Oh, we can. Well, we need to add it. We need to add it as another alternative to focused. No, you need to join it, I think. Who is Dax? He's a coffee bean connoisseur. Terminal shop CEO, co-founder. I found you never need join. So your custom roof focus command when Nightshade is not around. Wait, when Nightshade is around or not around or what? New roast when? Very soon. I got my bat here. I'll show you guys. I'll just show you. I didn't show the picture because I was thinking about saving it for marketing stuff later, but I'll show it anyways just because they're too stinking adorable. Ba-ba-da-boom, ba-da-ba-dee-ba-bo. I was having Ember pose for some for product launch. So I've been trying out our new blends. I have my favorites. We're sort of working on which ones we think are our favorites. Yeah, Nightshade, I was thinking the same. Named after Ember.js. Yep. How'd you get her to do poses? She's a good girl. She listens. You say down and stay, and then she stays. And then you take the picture. You can do it in where? Oh, nice. So you just say down, and then she stays. Look at those pretty eyes, though. She's so cute. She's such a good girl. Anyways. Converts a query into a subquery. If subquery is going to return the subquery itself. From this, from E in subquery, select average salary. Prefix can be added for a subquery similar to standard repo operations. Subquery can also used in a join. You can also write it as a join or in a where. From here, where PID in subquery. You say down or J? I say J. Escape. G question mark. G question marks roll over. It's kind of like Rot 13. Ember blend, medium, and dark roast. Oh, we should have one named after her. That would be so fun. I would really love to have a blend named after her. If you need to refer to parent image not known when writing query, you can use parent as. I don't need to do that though. A lot of bite in the profile. Exactly. What are they looking for? Maybe a light colored dog. Prime does. Indiana. Oh, so I probably shouldn't call this subquery though. I should call this like max recent live stream, right? But then do I need to say subquery here? Subquery, like this. Subquery from stream in here, select max. Do I need to say as though? Because I feel like I'm not doing this part right, because when I saw this here, he's got doggos. Yeah. Oof, wrong chat. What are they? I was so confused about what you sent, Beat Watcher. That's funny. But like, in case you were actually wondering what Ember's named after, she's named after like embers from a fire because she's black and red, you know. But yeah, Nightshade, we should do that though. I was thinking of the same thing of having Dax's face slide up right here. You know what I mean? Where th insert at greater than subquery recent stream. Okay, so I can go like this. Do I just go like this? Subquery like this? Nice. Okay, that seems cool. Dax's face as emoji. This will error if you've never had any streams. I guess it's fine. As soon as you start, this is your first stream, it'll turn on, so that's okay. Is Dax a strange light mode user? He's not, no. Okay, well, this is really cool. I like this. I'm imagining that this still works. So let's try and do something where we delete all of the theme songs from today. And now we should have theme songs playing. Dax is the man with Amazon SST. He's the SST guy. Okay. Errors. Nice. Where can I be cast type UTC daytime in query? Oh, because it's different date times. Oh, that makes sense. Theme song, live stream. We should, right. Thank you. Actually, good call. We'll just say that this is UTC daytime. So this is what we learned, teacher. What's the ROI on any of that? Well, one is expanding your brain to think about different things. So that's one thing for sure, where learning new things and pushing yourself to think in different ways will give you different ideas. All right, someone with a theme song, say hello. Nice. There we go. Ryan. Ryan's just always trying to throw shade at me. It's working. It's working.
I did go in a date with THG Mom. It was fun.
Nice. Okay, so those are all good. Here you go, friend. Some good theme songs. That one is so good, Ram. That one is so good. What up, Kevin? Did he say that to you? That's funny. You just scared me so bad. Yep. We've got a few. We got a few jokesters. We got a few jokesters here with their theme songs. Hard to blame them. It's a good opportunity to scare people, you know? By the way, what up, Kev? How's it going? First time Arch broke on me and fixed it without reinstalling. Nice. Well, oh, nice. Here you go. Okay. The recollection is clear now. Yeah. I'm doing great. Yeah, I'm doing good. All right, so theme songs are now tied to individual live streams, which is awesome. We could just insert one into. That's fine. We won't do it right now. We'll test this out again tomorrow and see if it works. But I think we're good. This part is so cool. I love this. Can I just put this right inside of here? Can I just go like this? Like. Do I have to put the subquery here or no? I do have to put it, right? That's letting. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine with me. I was just making sure. This is stairs of code? What do you mean? I don't know. I guess I'm not sure which way I like it better. Maybe I like it better this way. Maybe it looks better this way, though. I think I like this way better. It's much more clear what we're doing. I was just kind of interested to know. This way seems good. Okay. This is good because now we can see how many things have happened in this live stream. Which is good. That's what we needed. That's sort of the next step. I wonder, do I already have all the events I need to select star from? I should make a separate table, I think, for subscriptions. We already like did a lot of the hard work for this, right? Where we have sort of like the handler here, and we have did I already make a particular event for that? I do. I have a subscription event, right? So we already are broadcasting Mixery subscription event. We already broadcast these out, right? Subscribe to sub events. Where are we listening to these right now? Yeah, that makes sense. Cryptception, what? I use Berkeley Mono. Okay, so for a gift sub, for a self-subscription, Twitch live stream starts. So I think those are the only, we have basically like gift subs or self-subs, which is good. Do you use comments on your code? Sometimes, yeah, if I feel like something needs to be explained. In general, I just try and write the code better until the comment would be sort of useless. And then we can delete the comment, and then the code should hopefully speak for itself. But it's not always possible to do. Berkeley Mono and Nerd font? If not, where do I find it? It's a paid font. Fortunately or unfortunately, I guess, depending on how you want to say it. So, I think JetBrains Mono, though, is very similar. So, like, if you like Berkeley Mono, you probably like JetBrains Mono. Farming Simulator is free on Epic. Oh, no. I'm already farming Outrage. Actually, you don't even need to patch the font if you have a good terminal. You can just do something like this, where you have a fallback font. So you can just have it fall back to, like, icons here. Input Mono, I think also, yes, pretty similar. This is, like, the much better strategy. It's kind of like they figured out, hey, wait, what if we just didn't have to change the whole font? Yeah, JetBrains Mono, it does. It does a little bit, yeah. Okay, so what do we want to do here? I want to... We just need to write to the database that we have new subscriptions, I think. So we need to do something like... I guess we'll just make that a... We should make that not unique to Twitch, necessarily. We should do something instead like mix, Phoenix, Gen Schema... let's do... I don't want to call it subscriptions. We should call it like user subscriptions or something like this. And just have a regular ID is fine. We need... I just don't like how I have to write it here. Is there really no... There's no like... tool for this or something else that like gives me autocomplete or anything? That's one of the things that it really feels like lacking here. It's also annoying because after I'm done, then I have to like update 3 places if I change it. Nice italics, kind of like cursive. I'm not a huge cursive fan for the italics. I mean, Plex similar too. Nice. Mix, gen schema, references. How did we do that before? Well, why is this not Twitch user ID references users? References, Twitch. Oh, we need. Okay, for not right now, we'll just call it Twitch user ID references Twitch users. We need a tier, I guess, which is a string or text. You would still need to update 3 places to generate. You just want Ash. I think I do, Ryan. Yeah. That's Atween. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley.
Mary Kate and Ash. I was 8 when I met Mary Kate. That was actually the same day that I met
Ashley. Man, that song. Every time. Tier, string. What else do we want to put? We obviously want the inserted at times. That's probably fine. Oh, we wanted whether it's like gifted, I guess. Boolean.
Good day, mate.
Oh, you heard that song come out? I don't know.
Let's put another.
What is Ligma? What else do we put inside here? Tier, gifted. This seems probably good. This is good enough for now. User description, tier, Twitch user ID here. Tier, string. I guess maybe I should have called this sub tier. If it's good enough for Tej, it's good enough for me. You forgot I actually get him beforehand. Yeah, true. Maybe we'll do sub tier again. I probably should have called it sub tier. Just seems weird. It seems weird to call it sub tier inside of here. I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it tier. I don't even care. Where do I have? I think I have like ecto.enum. We want to do the same thing basically. Ecto.enum values tier. What did I call it before? Tier 1. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Default tier 1. No, I don't think I want a default. I would love a Twitch chat where you could react to people's chats and it would throw animation around. We could totally try and do something, make our own Twitch chat client. I think it would be kind of fun to do one where Twitch chat and YouTube chat could talk to each other. You know? Oh, it's going to be so bad if I do... I think I have to do sub tier. Everywhere else I've called it sub tier. I have to. I'll just get so messed up if we don't do it. I know my migrations is upset right now. We'll do this later. Chatterino. I don't know. 11:5 when people become numbers. Oh, nice. What am I doing? What am I doing, chat? What am I doing? What am I doing? All right. Migration. Add. Where's my subscription one? Create user subscriptions. Right, we just need to say sub tier here. Okay. Mix ecto migrate. User ID cannot be implemented. Foreign key constraint. User subscriptions. Twitch user ID foreign key. Twitch user ID and ID. Big int and character. Oh, I have to say string here or something. Why does it not know that the other one's a string? How did I do this before? References, Twitch user. Type string. Okay. Like, that bothers me. That bothers me. Nice. Okay, now we should have Phoenix back up and running. Great. Are you sure Twitch YouTube chat isn't against TOS? I don't see how it can be against TOS for people to be able to chat with each other. I think it's against TOS to show it on the screen in that way or something. So we'll have to see. Honestly though, it's sort of like, is Twitch really gonna, it's more times about sleep time here? Yeah, Razo, true. Is Twitch really gonna like try and make a big stink about people sharing chats? You know what I'm saying? That just seems crazy. That just seems like so crazy to do. What is OTP 26 in front? OTP is the Beam runtime. Is that how I would say it? It's the Erlang version? I'm not even sure what I should say. Because, like, we're going to find out. Yeah. Well, we're pretty far away from that still. OTP is the library. Is that? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the right word is for it. OCaml, too powerful? 26. Exactly. Subscriptions. All right. So then what we need to do is we need to say something like, sorry, let me just get a little bit more space for writing this so I can think about this. We go to handler. That was just in our server here. Our server contains all of kind of like the logic we're doing as we're inputting these events. So when we get a gift subscription, we can double check what select star from. These all show up in the coin ones, right? Yeah. Coin ledger. Order by ID desk. Okay. So yeah, this is like subscription tier 1, get coins. Subscription tier 1. I think there's a gift subscription. Gift. Yeah, okay, nice. All right, so we want to basically do the same strategy we did here. Erlang code is there in Erlang OTP on GitHub. Got it. Yeah, you're right. Unpronounceable. I think we'll be fine. Whoops. I dropped some frames. Just a tiny little F. Telescope icons come from. Yeah, you need to have a font that supports it, and then you need to turn it on with web dev icons or whatever. Okay. All right, so what can we do here? We have an amount. We have a subscription, sub gift, sub tier, and duration. Resub, coin calculate gift sub tier 1 gift dot duration. Nerd fonts. It doesn't have to be though. Like you can have something that has a fallback font, but yeah, nerd fonts is probably like the easiest way to do it, I guess, unless you're using like newer terminal maybe. All right, well this one should be easy, because we should be able to do something just like repo dot insert mixery dot user subscriptions. Oh, I should have called this user I still can. That one's pretty easy to do. User subscription. Then I need to go like, I go here, right? And then I go mixery.user subscription.change set like this. And then we pipe this into here. Like this kind of idea here, right? This would be Twitch user ID. And then subtier, and then gifted would be false in this case. So I think if this works here, then what we should see is select star from user subscriptions. There's nothing in here right now. So we'll check that back later. You need to write language C with a little thing, but it's one base index and other Louis. That's just doesn't sound that fun. TTF nerd fonts. Oh, very cool. Doesn't show on Telescope. Where should I add it in Starship? Do you have NVIM Web Devicons or whatever installed? Love getting 1 minute 30 as a subscriber.
Developers.
Awesome. What's up, Rio? Yeah, Hack. I've heard good things about Hack. What are you using for the database TUI? That's Vim Dadbod, which reminds me, YouTube at THDV, we should link this in. This here, right? You can tell I got very serious in this one. We threw on the coat, of course. Dadbod. Do I have this here? Commands, edit, Dadbod. I'm just going to delete all the other links, I think. Right, that should work, right? Yep, nice. We'll give it a go. Pretty much the only thing I use GUI for, yeah. I've seen DB. I liked the completion better from Dadbod still. Do you know how to add custom adapters? I do not. Where do I file a complaint when offended by Dadbod comments for future ref? Not offended yet. Can't do anything. Can't do anything about it. Dude, this 423, it really did sound, like I said, nicest farts, which does hurt a bit. It does hurt a little bit, you know? All right. On DB a bit confusing for Dadbod. Dadbod works great for me. I tried out DB. I felt it was, I liked the UX and a bunch of stuff going on there better, but the completion wasn't as good. So I'm sticking with Dadbod for now. Farts mentioned, indeed. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to go here as well. Amount and reason is this. Ooh, diggity, diddly, 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 diddly. Twitch user ID is subgift. Does this have user ID? Is this who it was given to, though? Yes, this is who it was given to. So this is Twitch user ID. Whoops. And then we'll do resub, which should have a sub tier. This doesn't have a user ID on it. Do I have a user ID somewhere else? Gift subscription, gifter subscription. Well, that's weird. Oh, I guess we may have already counted these. I'm not actually sure. Oops. Copy results to JSON or CSV and DB is cool. Yeah, that part is super cool. Okay, so hypothetically, We'll just restart this completely to make sure everything's running. We will see next time someone subscribes. Not baiting, just saying if this actually writes anything to them. It should get a new change set with a new ID, a subtier, and whether they've been gifted or not. This one should do Twitch user ID, subtier, and gifted. That should work as well. Database stores data in files at the end. True. True. Okay, because that would be good, because then we could keep a count of how many subs we've gotten today, which is good. So we can do sort of like a daily sub goal kind of thing. You can just recompile to start again. Yeah, but if I have something that happens in init, then it doesn't always restart. Or it doesn't rerun init, usually, it seems. At least as far as I can tell. Like in some of these, I have their, they subscribe to things, new events to listen to in init. I just added one. So for some of those, I like to just double check to make sure. But yes, your point is well taken. Minus 5 seconds for a neat looking game. What was dude's 90-second Twitch ads? It's usually like 6 of them in a row. Okay. Yeah, because then we can start doing some goofy stuff with this as well, which would be kind of nice. Would like to be able to track those. Data acids. True, you need both. You really want acid in your database, which is kind of ironic. Hey, see you, Nike. Thanks for hanging. No side effects. True, no side effects. No databases allowed. Saggedy, hey, thanks for... Oh. Let's go. Except we didn't get a Twitch user ID here. That's a little bit surprising. That part's a little bit surprising. I don't know why we didn't get that. Sub. There should be a self sub here. Why didn't that work? Sub. This probably just doesn't even exist. Self-subscription should be a user, and then we should have user, which has ID. Nope, so it should be sub.user.id. Okay, that's a little bit weird. That's a little bit weird. Because shouldn't we have... Sub is prime, true, sub tier here. You did user.id, but it might be user ID. No, because it should be... This is self-subscription here, and a subscription has a user, and a user has ID. Yeah, so it should just be sub.user.id. Twitch user ID. Oh, I bet I know why. This doesn't accept Twitch user ID here. Twitch user ID and Twitch user ID. There we go. Nope, that was why. That was a change set problem here. Yeah, because we actually want to pass this in here. Oh, and shouldn't this be like string or something instead? Twitch user ID? Where have I done this before? Twitch user ID, comma. This should be... Oh, we don't have references in any of the... Where did we put these in other spots? We just said string here. That seems better. Okay. I don't know. I'll restart this one again just because I'm changing some stuff with schema. We'll just make sure. All right, but that might work then. We'll check again for the next one. I think I should probably drop this one. Delete from user subscriptions because this one will break everything later by one of them randomly not having a Twitch user ID. They should always have a Twitch user ID. Okay. Thank you anyways for your prime though, Saggedy. I appreciate that. Woke up today with no data in prod at work. Hope everyone has a better day. No. Really? What theme to use? Groove Buddy. It's one that I made. Oh, we could get rid of Nightbot super easily as well. Which variation? Groove Buddy. That's what I'm saying. When you're... I'll live, you're still rubber ducking. Just curious. When you're... Oh, when I'm not live, are you still rubber ducking? Not out loud. No, I don't usually talk out loud while I code. Except sometimes Zeal. Yes! Let's go! Sometimes like that. Sometimes I still do that when it's just me. Units was unformulated. Realized I have a prime stuff for you. Oh, hey, thank you. Thanks. You have the Linux process to trade your data and transfer data for 2 days. RIP. So sometimes I still do that. Like if I'm excited, you know what I'm saying? But I don't usually talk out loud when I'm streaming or when I'm not streaming. Which honestly, like it is so easy to focus when I'm off stream now. So much less to think about. Talk to myself, I'm not even a streamer.
Team Pepija.
How focused? Oh, it's focused. Okay, we need to get that picture of Dax though again and cut it out and slide his face up. And we need to do like, I don't know how we can do it. I don't know. We also need to get some way to integrate like emotes and some other stuff into this. It's way more entertaining. Is Vercel ship on right now? Should we live react? Today is Tej Boat. I don't even know what any of the words mean. Oh, it's on right now. Let users write a bot script in Lua on your rewards page that lasts for a certain number of minutes. We could definitely, if we get far enough in Lua. Oh well, no, we can use Lua Earl for this. Yeah, we could do that. The React Tejin. I just said yep. Vercel ship. Today.
They were built to really empower you and to lower the barrier. And
He looks like, it kind of looks like Prime, does it not? From this far away, because all you can see is a mustache and a dude in a white t-shirt. Wish.com Prime. Oh, not Flame Graph. Flame Shot. There we go. Sorry, one sec. I mean, look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. What is that clip? That's from yesterday when the table thing worked. Oh my goodness. Wait, is Dax here right now? At subscriber only.
to this technology, the latest into the platform. It's really. How can we make from when I allowed all of the features?
We're not actually gonna, 1, 2, 3, ABC. Have you ever seen Guillermo and Prime in the same room? I have seen Guillermo and Prime in the same room. I mean, not in person, but in a video. Oh my goodness. Is Dax in here? Is Dax trash talking? Is Dash in here? Dax in here trash talking? That's what I want to know. I was meeting someone in real life, a real friend you wouldn't understand. Oh my gosh. Well, we're not going to watch that because I don't know what they're talking about. Is his alt account saying they should call? Is anybody live stream reacting this right now? Where is Dax live streaming his response? That's what I want to see. I've never seen Prime and Art or Smith in the same room. 8 months, promotion to senior intern 1 at 1 year. At 1 year. Oh, Vincer. Let's go. It worked. Nice. There we go. Sweet. So we have IDs for subs. Nice. So we can know when we got new subscribers. That's great. Notice me, senpai. I will, Ronak. Thanks for being a channel subscriber. Oh, ooh. Testing gifted sub? Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, okay. Could not perform insert because change set is invalid. Can't be blank. Nil. Okay, nice. We found an error. Bug introduced. Clops, clops. Mixer user ID. How can we not have a user ID here? Sub gift. User ID. How can we not have a user ID? Recipient ID. Oh my goodness. Well, we've never gotten those right, apparently. We've apparently never gotten those right. Recipient user ID? We've apparently never once gotten that right for subgift. Let's go! Is it mandatory for me to have a tattoo that says I use Argentinium, by the way, on my right hand? On your right hand? I think you need it on your forehead. No. The sub gifter part still worked. Because we've been tracking who gave the sub. We just haven't been tracking who received it. What's up, Orcus? The members. Ronak, if we can figure out YouTube's API for chat, we may add them to the possibility of theme songs. Yes. Still using true. Recipient ID. It's not recipient ID, is it? Recipient user ID. True. That's the most important one as well. That's really the only one that we care about anyways. Thank you, Clop Clop. I almost debated myself so hard.
Fuzzy little man Peach. You have a drunk
Recompile. And then init.restart. Nice. We'll try that. If there is a sender, there must be a receiver, right? Right? Community gift ID is recipient user ID. Recipient. Oh my goodness, you're right. That's just not even right at all. Community gift ID should be community gift ID probably. Dang it, chat. You guys are getting me debated so hard. Community gift ID. Community gift ID is community gift ID. Then we have user ID is recipient, user login is user login. Nice. I guess we also have username. We probably should do that as well at some point. User, I think we called this display. We don't have this in yet. But it's not display name, it's username for some reason. I don't know why. We'll get back to that later. Porky Maria. Porky Maria. Nice. We're good. Saturday fixes this? True, it does. It does, actually. Recipient name. No, I did not. Oh, yeah. Recipient username. Something like this. Yeah. We're not using that one yet, but we'll get there. Recipient gifter username, blah, 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 blah. Where was this one? Okay. There we go. Isn't it Sir D? Sir D what, Nightshade? You split a regular keyboard. I use a split keyboard. Okay, one port surrounded, yes. All right, so that should be good. No, seriously? I mean, I guess it's like, but then wouldn't you say Seer D? Right, because it's serialize, deserialize. So then it should be Seer D. Like Seer D's steaks. Clop clop. Oh, okay. You've got to be kidding me. What did we do wrong now? What did we do wrong now? What did we do wrong now? Scammed again. It should be Cedis. Twitch user ID. User ID. Well, oh, did you give it to someone that's not a user? Oh, we haven't made this person yet. Oh my goodness. This user doesn't exist yet in the database. You have any develop remotely by using your local NeoVim settings? I've never tried, honestly. New language, or steps you take to become more familiar. I read a lot of docs. I try and build a lot of stuff. I ask a lot of questions, and I try until I fail, and then I look up something, and I keep trying. Var Charizard, use Flamed Whip. You have to make it exist. Yeah, we need to make sure that this user exists. Because it's possible that they don't. So, okay. You absolute rapscallion. You picked someone that's never chatted before on purpose, didn't you? Clop, clop. Twitch picked it. Oh, really? Right? That's got to be what this is saying. User, change it with name as an option. From raising exception, send error to your change set. Please call foreign key constraint name. Because we must not have this user, right? Let's do select star from Twitch users where ID equals this. Whoops. Whoops. Change surrounding. Is it not surrounding change? No. Surround a change here. What is the way to do change surrounding? I don't know what it is in mini surround. Surround replace. Oh, SR quotes. Here we go. Got it. Yeah. So there's none. SR. That's the old. That's the old one. Yeah. Read the friendly manual. I sure did. Kotlin conf is so cringe.
It's a shame, isn't it, that we can't do that sort of thing. Well, I wish it worked like this, right? It would be nice to be able to do that, and in particular, though, I wouldn't mind the brackets if we didn't have to say the whole encourage data source bit. But yeah, I think
what's cringe about it?
And you may choose. So add configuration.
I don't get it. Back from vacation? I sure am. I sure am, Lane. Kotlin D's what? What? Ooh, nice. Nice. We're getting more of these. Course when? I'm literally working on it. I've been sending Lane stuff. It's very cringe. I don't know why. Nice. Okay, so now we need to do something where we just make sure that this user exists. So in this case, we can just do something. Don't I have like upsert user? We can do mixery.twitch.upsert user. And we can say user ID. No, that's not even close. User ID. And then we can go user. I'm just going to do this. Can I just do this? Will it work okay without anything else?
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Upsert user to. I can go. Wait, is adder supposed to be a map or not? I forget this every time. It's a map. Okay. Like this. Change that insert or updates. Okay, we'll see, I guess. What's up, Lane? Did you pair programming and rename one thing 20 minutes? Oh, yeah? That's pretty tough. Found I can create symlinks inside all of it. Oh, that's cool. That command. Lane, I'm going to add one with to get Dax's face on my face, I think. I'm going to donate Teachcoin to starving kids. Smart. Do you have a GitHub? I do. It's TJ DeVries is my GitHub. Path to file, path to original. Oh, dang. Dax face with the vine. Which vine? To do, probably want to try and get more info about this user first. But it's okay for now. Smiley face. Okay, great. Okay, so now, hypothetically, it should work. TJ DeVries. Got the W Riz, as the kids like to say, chat. When I was AI, my AI took me to AI. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. It fixed my PR. Oh, nice, Geek. We can merge it for sure then. That was on Malua, right? Nice. How can I do view file? Here we go. Malua.
Like you'll go person, woman, man, camera.
Camera. All right, we'll merge it. Squash and merge. Malua docs update. Boom. Okay. Now let's see. Gifted true. You're kidding me. Could not perform instruction is valid. Display can't be played. Okay. All right. User ID. Fine. User display. Okay. And then user display not found. Def struck here. User display. Yes. And then we'll go user display here. And then we'll go here. And we'll go back to here. And then we'll pull out user ID. And then we'll pull out user login. User login. And then we'll do user display. User. Oops. Oh my goodness. User display. And then we'll do this. Now we have this. Yes. Okay. Now we don't use those. So then we go user login is user login. And user display is user display. Because I'm pretty sure that's what we said they should be. Upsert user. Do we just login and display? Login and display. Okay. Nice. My question is, does this remove... Did we accidentally kill... Why is Elixir LS dying? Weird. Change set. What happens if we have no change for profile image URL? Unique constraint. This doesn't get overridden, does it? I don't know. We'll restart this again. That had to be the error, right? Was that we can't have display and login be blank, so we didn't apply any changes. Okay. Recipient, user ID, recipient, user ID. Okay, so that should hopefully... Elixir is the best. Nice. It's a good... That is a good one to gift. What's up, Spreeze, by the way? Thanks for subbing. 3 months of subbing. All right, nice. I think you'll like Crystal Lang. I've seen a little bit of it. That's like typed Ruby, more or less, right? That's kind of the like pitch of what it's supposed to look like. I had some people saying before I'd like Crystal. But you got C bindings. I don't know whether I would use Crystal or like what would I use Crystal for? What's the concurrency? Spawn. Okay, that's nice, I guess.
I do use Vim over Emacs.
Oh, God help us.
Oh, okay, all right. It's got to be the time. It's got to be the time. Let's go! Pow, pow. Nice. Thank you, Cloth Cloth. What a bed. We got it. We probably should put something like rewrite Neovim in Crystal. Now we're talking. I wonder if instead we should do, like instead of gifted, we should do gifting user or something like this. I don't know. I'm not going to think about it too much for now. Okay, so now we can see that we've gotten this many subs today. So that's cool. Chat, I don't know if you know this. Select star from... What do we call this again? Twitch? I think we call it chat messages. There we go. I've been saving everything. I've been saving everything. Exactly. New language has to have some major improvements on other for it to be adopted. Why would you use Crystal over everything else? Yeah, I don't know what the pull for Crystal would be. Recall. No, this is with Postgres. If you want to restart IEX with killing, you can find IEXS file and configure IEX. So I know, Ayush, that I do some of that, but for some of these, I want to make sure I have a complete fresh restart. Mostly because some of the ones that I'm testing right now, oh my goodness. It worked, pretty sure. Pretty sure it worked. Pretty sure, good thing no one ever says anything stupid, I know. I'm pretty sure that worked, because that's the last gifted one. Nice, so we got it working. What's the link with the redeem rewards? Coins, bank coins. So for the ones where we're testing something where people are like gifting subs, I want to make sure I'm giving it the best chance to actually work, because I don't actually want to just debate subs. I mean, I'm not complaining when people gift subs as I'm testing, but like, you know, I'm trying not to debate them as much as possible. The new beam languages aren't that hard to write and have a good ecosystem. Yeah. I've been liking Elixir quite a bit so far. Don't tell Shy Ryan. He's off Twitch now. All we have left is Ryan Winchester. New beam languages? Erlang. Exactly. Underrated. Timed out 69 seconds. Precautionary timeout. Smart. Smart. Okay. You should just talk with Jose. Super fun to talk languages with. Someone was just mentioning, now I already forgot who. I can think about it. Shoot, who was I talking to last night? Maybe it was Rick. I don't remember. But about connecting me with Jose, it would be very fun. I want to check out some more stuff with live, right? Oh, Camel, not Elixir Ryan. Now that's a username right there. That's a username right there. Must be pretty recently created. It's longer number than all the other numbers.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Mike. Hello.
That strikes me as it must be recently created. Was that one loud? I'll turn it down a little. Created today. That's what I figured. Hope you're all doing fine. It's pure coincidence. I feel like longer ones have to be from more recent. Not necessarily purely ordered, but I don't know. Good luck with monads. I like monads. Not sus at all. Exactly. Account created 2 minutes ago. Portuguese, not Spanish. Oh, so it's Jose? Is that what you're saying? It's not Jose? Jose? Really? Are you guys memeing me? I feel like you're memeing on me, but I'll trust you guys. It's true? Okay. All right. Jose. Got it. Jose or Jose? Is it like Jose? Juicy? It's definitely not juicy. Jose. More like this. Jose. It's not juicy. I know that for sure. Oh, now I'm confused. Juice. Really? Juice. Pleasure. Jose.
Pronouncenames.com.
Nice. Now we're talking.
Jose.
Really?
Jose.
Jose.
Pronouncenames.com.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose. Jose.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose. I was not getting that from how you guys were typing it in chat. You were getting me farther away from there. Jose. Jose. I gotta listen to it again.
Jose.
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 Jose. Jose. Jose. Jose. Jose. How'd you write it in either Jose or Josie? Jose. Jose.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose. Jose.
Jose.
Jose. Juice World.
Jose.
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 This isn't helping. I'm closer than I was when chat was saying. Juicy. I'm just gonna call him Juicy J. And then less of an I and you're perfect. I'm just calling him Juicy J and hopefully he likes that. What's up, Juicy J? It's me, your boy, Tej. Jose. 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 That is blowing my mind. I'm so far away from where I was. You're ready to come to Brazil? Jose. The E is like E in echo. Echo. Jose. Jose. I don't know. Chat. Every time you guys say it sounds like this other word, I get farther away, I think. He'll probably respond to Juicy J. Oh no, now you guys said yes, and I definitely don't remember how I said it. We finally got it right, and I'll never do it again. You said instead of a. Jose. 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 Oh. I've been in this chat for a while now. I know. I don't know what's happening up there. We'll restart the tunes, but I don't know. Something went wrong. Full Brazilian. Jose. 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 Lua, Elixir, and Juicy J. We've got it all. The problem is, chat, I say it a few different ways, and then you guys all say perfect, but I don't know which of the 7 ways I tried was the right one by the time you say perfect or closer. It's like I'm trying and I'm trying and I'm trying. Oh man. Your mind will default to Juicy J anyways. Number 43 was good. Chat delay helps. Yeah. Bom dia. It's gonna take 12-hour stream for him to say Joao. 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 I have no idea how to do that one. Before he goes, what? Jose. Jose.
Apparently I pronounced your name terribly. Do you mind correcting my pronunciation quick?
It's Jose Valim, but
Jose?
don't worry.
Jose Valim. Jose Valim. That's as close as I'm going to get, I think. Jose Valim. Jason? Jose. Jazan? I start. What are you trying to say? I'm trying to say Jose Valim. Yeah. Just call him Juicy J. I think Juicy J is nice, man. Jazan Value. People struggle hard on the sound. I'm struggling hard on the sound. Oh, we got the right one? Or is this the wrong one? The E is like E in echo. Echo. Jose. Jose. The E is like E in echo. Echo. Jose. Jose. This one? The E is like Jose. Jose. The E is like E in echo. I don't know. Echo. You're gonna forget all your talking points after you nail that. That's the only one that I'm gonna go for. Try to make it sound like you have a nose cold when you say things. Pronounce it right. Do you get free Brazil citizenship? Jose. I'll just say it once. That's good. Creating the software so that you can unify all the different streamings. I may do that eventually, Chris. Yeah. Another one. Jose. Please not another. I can't stop now. I'm going to go in the mirror. Slap my face. Say it. Wrong. Boom. Go again. Over and over until I get it right. Okay. Also try to avoid going more and more French romantic the more you say it. It's fair. 24-hour stream of only saying Jose. Am I looking at the Debugging? You are. Directories? Yeah, it's short directories, yeah. So it's lib, make sure Twitch user. I gotta take a day off and we'll try again tomorrow. After we say his name well, we can invite him on stream. But I also need to try out Livebook and NX first. Better idea. Say his name live on stream correctly 3 times, he just appears. Have him show you Livebook and NX. I don't know. He loves demoing it. I know, but I think it's a lot more interesting if I can ask better questions about it. We could still do a demo. But like the interview style that I enjoy doing is that I do more prep for it and I'm ready to ask good questions about it. Like I liked interviewing Ray-san from Raylib because I had already tried Raylib. I did a bunch of research and I had a lot of particular questions ready. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I would rather do. Noobs to choose what streams that they want. I don't know. I made Postman kind of as a smart cell. Oh, interesting. Yeah. That's more like, I feel like that's more of what I shoot for on the channel, right? Do what I want you to, not what you want to do. That's a good strategy. It's a good strategy for lasting a long time as a content creator. What up, Giver? Okay. Who is Ray and why is he a liberal? Exactly. All right, so I think we got far enough on where I wanted to today for this. I'm going to explore thinking about this idea a little bit more later. Do everything your viewers say, literally nothing go wrong. True. I'm kind of thinking I kind of want to try out some more Ash stuff and work on my database schema for the other project for a little bit, at least. Even though I'm cheating and I'm working on the startup during the day, I kind of want to anyways. Work for Nico Avocado. I don't know who that is. At least I don't think I do. Maybe I do if you gave me more info. Should we just try Ash for a little bit or what? How's that sound, chat? Yeah, okay, no, I do know who that is. I've seen his picture. Yeah, pretty sad. Yeah. Okay, I think that's what I want to do. So I'm going to go pee, get a little more coffee, and then I'll come back.